at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2001 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy Injected, which means this motorcycle is fuel injected. This bike is in vivid black, and it has the double rent pinstriping. Cool graphic on the tank. We have the Screaming Eagle intake, and we have Python 3 full exhaust system. Rider and passenger floorboards. These flip down and they are easily adjustable as far as angle, which is pretty cool for your passenger. We have a mini sissy bar on the passenger seat as well, and smoked out tail lenses. Willie G derby cover and heel toe shifters. For 2001, this motorcycle is beautiful. It's showing its age very well. And we are also running on a fob, so we are keyless. We're at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.